Google is gearing up for a big launch this August, and it's not just about the Pixel 10 phones. A fresh leak has revealed that Google is planning to release a full lineup of next-gen accessories alongside the new Pixel series, from new earbuds to sleek wireless chargers. There's a lot to look forward to beyond just the phones. Let's start with the Pixel 10 phones themselves. The leak confirms that we'll see for main models this year the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the highly anticipated Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And the storage options? There's something for everyone, from 128 gigabytes all the way up to a massive 1 terabyte for those who need extra space. Color options are also getting a refresh. The Pixel 10 will be available in Obsidian, Frost, Indigo, and Lemongrass. These sound like cool and fresh tones that will appeal to a wide audience. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will come in Obsidian, Jade, Moonstone, and Porcelain, a more premium palette. And for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, we're looking at Moonstone and Jade options, with 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte storage variants. It's clear Google wants its new foldable to stand out, not just in design, but also in performance and configuration. Now, let's talk about accessories, because this is where things get even more interesting. According to the tipster at MyCerealPin, Google is preparing to launch new Pixel Buds 2a. These will come in for colors hazel, strawberry, iris, and foglight. If you're wondering what those mean, think green, red, purple, and light blue. These are fresh new color options likely designed to match the fun tones of the Pixel 10 phones. The Buds 2a are said to be the follow-up to the original Pixel Buds series, which launched back in 2021. Those were a more affordable alternative to Google's premium earbuds, and now it looks like they're getting a well-deserved upgrade. But that's not all. The leak also mentions a new color for the Pixel Buds Pro 2, Sterling. This appears to be a sleek gray tone that may be designed to perfectly match the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL models. It's a small touch, but it shows how Google is trying to offer a more unified design language across its devices and accessories. Speaking of unified design, there's also news about a new Google Pixel charger. This one might be available in a color called Rock Candy, which is likely a white or light gray shade. Some are speculating this could be a magnetic charging puck, similar to Apple's MagSafe. If that's true, it would be a big shift for Google and a great addition for Pixel users who want faster and easier charging. There's also talk of a new Pixel wireless charger. While details are still limited, this accessory is expected to be similar to the Pixel Stand, offering wireless charging in a stand-up position, possibly with smart display features. This could be a perfect bedside or desk companion for Pixel users. As you guys know, the Samsung Ultra is about to unfold, and Samsung is bringing some massive launch offers your way. If you haven't reserved your next Galaxy yet, you're missing out on something huge. Reserve now through the link in the description and instantly get a $50 Samsung credit just for signing up, but that's only the beginning. You'll also unlock up to $1,150 in additional savings when you complete your purchase. And here's the real kicker. Your reservation enters you into a sweepstakes for a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung credit. Yes, $5,000. Don't wait. Reserve now. The link is right there in the description. Now back to Google. With the Pixel 10 series and this new wave of accessories, Google is clearly stepping up its hardware game. They're not just releasing phones anymore, they're building a full ecosystem. This is something Apple and Samsung have done for years, and it looks like Google is finally catching up in a serious way. The competition is heating up. The Pixel 10 series will go head-to-head with Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16 series. Each of these tech giants is bringing their game in 2025, and it's not just about who has the fastest chip or the best camera anymore. It's about the entire experience. From earbuds that match your phone to smart chargers and foldables that push the boundaries of design, the focus is on offering something that feels complete. We're still waiting for Google to officially confirm these leaks, but if they're true, this August could be one of the biggest months for tech fans in a long time. Whether you're here for the foldable phones, the new Pixel Buds, or just want a better wireless charging setup, there's something exciting for everyone. Let's see what Google brings to the table, because this year, the Pixel 10 series might not just compete, it might surprise us all.